Now we are going to see a multi-dimensional array. So what is this multi-dimensional array means? For example, if you are going to give a table like this, table, declare a table like this. Here I'm going to give a here I'll be inserting a table 1, 2, 3, 4 with 4 columns. Now, okay, what happens here? I have created a table. Now, in this table, this particular thing will be considered as rows. Okay, these are called as rows. That is first row, second row, third row, and fourth row. We want to store the same thing in the form of columns. First column, second column, third column, and fourth column. Okay, if you want to store these things in the form of columns, and if you want to store the data in here. Now if I am storing here as values as 1, 2, 3, I'm giving here as 10 and 22, then I'm giving 50, 10, 54, some 86, yeah, it may be 45, it may be 87, and likewise if I am storing. And if I want to access this value, okay, access this value. This value resides in the second row, second column. It resides in the second row and second column. So how can I access this? To store these kind of values in a single variable, you can use the two-dimensional array. Okay, you can use the multi-dimensional array. Here I have represented two dimensions, that is x dimension as well as the y dimension. Okay, but if you need multi-dimensional array also, you can declare the same way you will be representing. So how to declare a two-dimensional array? So this is the format of declaring a two-dimensional array. So int, you are going to give here as, you are indicating the brackets. Using this brackets, you are indicating it as the dimensional values. Okay, you are indicating this as the dimensional values is equal to new int of what is the size of each dimension. Need not be that all the dimensions should be equal. You can differentiate the dimensions also. Based upon that, you will be getting created with the memory allocation. Since I have given here 3, 3, you will be created with the 3 rows and 3 columns. Now, if I want to change, you can change it. You can change it with the number of rows and the number of columns. Since I have taken the two dimension, I have represented this with 2 square brackets. For this each square bracket, I have initialized with the size. Okay, the first represents the row and the second represents the column. So how to store the values? The values can be stored like this. Okay, if it is 3 cross 3, then you can store this number of values. Your 3 cross 3 columns will be like this. That is 3 rows. Sorry, I'll be deleting this also. So you'll be having 3 rows and 3 columns. So totally you can store 9 values. So the first row, this is called as row 1. Okay, this is called as row 1. Row 1, first value. Row 1, second value. Row 1, third value. This will be taken as row 1, second value. Sorry, row 2, first value. Row 2, second value. And row 2, third value. So how it will be arranged means, since we have ARR as the array name, so it will be like this. Okay, it will be taken in the form of 0, 0 first. Okay, again it will be taken as 0, 1. That is row 1, this first row with the thing. Since the array value index starts from 0, we are taking like this. Then here again you will be giving us 0, 1, 2. The next time when it goes, the second row will be represented as, this is the first row what I have done. Array, it is called as row 0. This is called as row 1 and this is called as row 2. This is column 0, column 1 and column 2. So how it will be taken? The value will be taken as ARR of 1 comma 0. It is 1, then it will take 0. Okay, and then similarly you have the thing. Again you will be having 1 comma 0 here, then 0 comma 1 and 0 comma 2. Now what will be the value stored here? As of our data, the value will be stored here. 0 comma 0 is 10 now, and here it is 22, and here it is 3, and it is the second row, first one, so it comes with 86 and it goes on like that for everything. So how to store this? You have to use the for loop. So how I will be showing this program and I'll print it and show you. Okay, class array, print the value. I'm going to copy this program here. Okay, test array again. I'm going to store it with the name test array 1. I save, and now I can run the program. Java C test array 1. Just compiled. Okay, and I'm going to run the program with Java. See, it displays like this. This is how you can display. This is the two-dimensional. Similarly, if you want three-dimensional and four-dimensional, everything you can do it. Okay.